Today I will show you how to share boarding pass on your Apple Wallet. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is open up your Apple Wallet on your phone. Now, once it's opened up, you're going to find the boarding pass that you want to share. Now, you can see I have 3 passes here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this arrow at the top that says share. And once I click on it, it's going to give me the options to share the boarding pass to different users. I also have the options to airdrop and to mail the boarding pass, and I can also send via Telegram. And if I come here and I click on edit, I have these other apps to include to the options of the apps that I can send it to. Now that's how you share boarding pass on Apple Wallet. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.